Good morning, traders. This is your opening bell with me, Adam Harris. So today at 12:30, so these will be UK times, 12:30 we've got GBP, we've got the autumn forecast statement, so that'll be a bit of an outlook for sterling. We've also got a 1:30, we've got US dollar, and I expect these might be the big movers of the day. We've got building permits at the same time as initial jobless claims, as well as the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. And all of those will be giving indicators as to whether there's an increase or decrease in terms of things related to inflation or recession. So we're going to see how that goes. If we move across and have a look at dividends, there's really only Alibaba and Macy's. I'm looking at anything over $1 billion. Not really interested in anything under that, and those are the only two most recognizable brands. If we then move across and have a look at the charts. So this is interesting to me. We still have that weaker US dollar, but here's the problem. We've done very little. So last week, you might recall, we had a big move on Thursday. Up until Thursday, we had very little happening. Then we had a really big move. We've had a similar kind of thing happening here. We had Monday sort of not really do much. Tuesday, Wednesday, here we are Thursday. Market's not really doing much. So again, it's prepped for or primed for a really big move. So look at that look at the US dollar. That actually looks like it still wants to continue weakening, but we need a temporary correction to the upside, have it strengthen, and then have it continue its trend. If we look at euro dollar, that's definitely overextended, showing a bit of exhaustion there. We look at sterling, that's also looking strong today. Looks like it's going to head up to 1.2 again. And we've got quite a few of those. Dollar yen as well. Dollar yen is hovering. It looks like it's prepping actually for a breakout. And if it does that breakout, looks like it's going to head down towards 138. So we've got some potential moves there. Gold is actually looking like it's coming back down towards 1729. This is a necessary, normal, healthy correction before it resumes its trend to the upside. So everything right now is sort of doing its own little thing. The dollar isn't really doing much. It's just kind of deciding or waiting for a cue on what to do next. Interesting enough, crude oils are looking quite weak. There is a very fair possibility we're going to see a big drop in crude oils if they break through the support levels now. For example, West Texas is sitting at 85. There's a very strong possibility it's going to break down and go down towards 80. So quite a significant drop. And that will be, I would say, before the close of business tomorrow. Then looking at the global indices, they actually are very keen to go up, but they're pretty much stuck in sideways motion. So they're waiting. They're in a consolidation right now. They're waiting for a sign or something to spook them, or a gun to go off, something to just like a firing gun, a race firing gun, just to say, let's get moving. And then they'll decide where they want to go. The DAX is currently retracing, coming back down. This is a normal temporary pullback within the existing uptrend. So tomorrow I'm expecting them to finish strong. So the question is how far they'll kind of correct today. And again, the only thing that I want to mention here is Tesla with regards to stocks. It looks like it's heading back down. So Tesla's going to go back down towards 180 to potentially test 180 for support again. Is it going to go through that level? We're going to have to see, but that is a level. That's a significant level. If it drops through that, it's going to head back down towards 150. So I think that's worthy of mentioning. Bonds are still pushing higher. They're looking pretty good and strong. And cryptos are not looking strong. They're still drifting a bit sideways, but they're also looking a little bit weak. So they're holding, which is not necessarily a bad sign, but with the rest of the indecision throughout the other asset classes, it's not really helping them very much. And that is it from me. Have a fantastic day. Trade sensibly, trade cautiously, manage your risk appropriately, and have a great day.